Hello dear friends, welcome to CBI Anatomy by Dr. Shrikant Verma. Today's INICET NEET PG FMG topic is fifth cranial nerve nucleus. We all know the brain stem. The brain stem is having the three different parts. The upper part is known as midbrain, middle part is bridge-like structure pons, and the lower part is bulb-like dilated structure known as medulla oblongata. Now, the fifth cranial nerve nucleus, it is having the two different parts. Yes, one which is controlling the motor activity, motor nucleus, another which is controlling the sensory activity, sensory nucleus. Remember, the motor nucleus is located only and only within the pons. Correct, sir. While the sensory nucleus, it is having the three different parts. What are the three different parts? One which is within the midbrain, another part which is within the pons, and one more part which is within the medulla. Let's divide it. This is the part located in the midbrain. Here is the part which is located within the pons, and the lower part which is located within the medulla oblongata. So now you can prepare the notes also. You can remember the motor nucleus. Sir, the motor nucleus is located within the pons. MCQ. While there are the three sensory nucleus, what are the three different sensory nucleus? First, which is located within the midbrain. So you will say mesencephalic nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Nickname we are giving MNT MANTU. The second, which is the our pontine nucleus. This is chief sensory. That's why chief sensory nucleus of which nerve? Trigeminal nerve. And we are giving the nickname CNT CON2. And the third one is the our part of the nucleus which is located in the medulla oblongata going towards the spinal cord. So we will say a spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve. So funny way is the our SNT SUN2. So the three sensory nucleus, the funny way to remember it, yes, MANTU, CON2, SUN2, and only one motor nucleus which is within the pons. So it will be very helpful in your INICET NEET PG and your FMG exam. Thank you very much. Stay connected.